All right, everyone, we are going to take a look at Power. So, Power Ledger. I don't think I've ever covered this one. I may have. I don't recognize it. Hopefully, I have the right token here. It is bullish right now. The momentum is up. We can see that with the Heikin-Ashi candles. Looking here on the 3-day chart, if we simply draw a Fibonacci from this low back here to the high, if you can see that there, a perfect 618 retracement and bounce down to about 28.29 cents. And a nice bounce here right after that. So on that smaller Fibonacci from the high to the low, a 618 retracement with a bounce that is bullish. If we switch out to the weekly chart, this is what I really want to point out here, is notice how from the high in November of 2021, you have all these weekly candles holding support over the 618 here at 42, pretty much 43 cents. And in my opinion, once you get a candle to close over this and sit on top of the 618 at 42, then this thing is going to be extremely bullish in my opinion. But what you do not want to see is you do not want to see another huge scam wick like this. That is very bearish. That is the reason it just fell right back down below that 618 support, dipped back below the 0.5. But as I just showed you from the low to the high on that smaller time frame, that is why you bounced at that 618. So ultimately, right now, if it can keep pushing up, which the momentum just shifted to the upside, as you can see, it's right over the 20 on the weekly stock RSI, so that is bullish there. And of course, the Heikin-Ashis are printing green. But yeah, I wish I could catch these things before they move. And just notice from the chart here on the weekly scale from November of 2021 to the December 2022 low, how this thing came back down to the low and made a slightly higher low here and then a slightly higher low here. That is a thing of beauty, in my opinion, to form this market structure on the macro scale of things, forming this curve up, that bullish market structure, and catch this thing right in here before it had this massive move to the upside. That's what I want to do. I want to be able to catch these things with this market structure on the macro charts being formed and catch these things right in here. But there's like millions of cryptos now, so it's hard to look at everything all the time. So yeah, we will leave it at that on Power. As long as you stay over 3.3 here, you can see you're going to hold over that 0.5, and the price to beat is the 618 at about 43 cents. But like I said, you do not want a scam wick to come in. You do not want this thing to do this and come right back down. That would be extremely bearish, especially if it has a scam wick over the 618 yet again, and it doesn't break this wick high here and it comes up maybe to the top or the 786. Then there's a chance at that point, you're going to fall off the table. But yeah, like I said, right now it looks good. The price to beat is 43. Once you break through that, she's going to be really bullish here. So we will leave it at that on Power, not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.